नाम तो बता, तेरा नाम तो बता, तेरा नाम तो बता।
Hey, welcome back to the podcast. चाचा शेक्सपियर ने कहा था, What's in a name? आखिर नाम में रखा क्या है? ट्रॉमा। खासकर अगर मेरे जैसा सरनेम हो तो। अभी आई हैव अ वेरी सिंपल शॉर्ट स्वीट सरनेम, JHA, झा। लेकिन ज्यादा क्रिएटिविटी की जरूरत नहीं है। ऑल यू हैव टू डू इज ऐड वन लेटर एट द एंड एंड अचानक से माई अपर हिंदू कास्ट ब्राह्मणिकल सरनेम टर्न्स इनटू प्यूबिक हेयर। इमेजिन ग्रोइंग अप विद दैट इन अ बॉयज स्कूल। टेरर। एंड आई हैव ऑलवेज हैड क्रेजी कर्ली किंकी हेयर, इवन ऑन माई हेड। यू नो द एसोसिएशन विच पीपल मेड इमीडिएटली। ऐसे में द ओनली थिंग विच मेक्स यू फील स्लाइटली गुड अबाउट योर सेल्फ is finding people who have even worse names than you. पहला तो मुझको मेरे क्लास में मिल गया। There's this guy जिसका नाम था BUMB, Bump. His surname was Bump. What a bummer. It's not like other parts of the human anatomy are safe either. You would have probably heard of the famous LODHA builders. बड़े महंगे घर बिकते हैं उनके। By the way, their name is pronounced as Lodha. Just putting it out there. There's a very common Punjabi surname, Boob. Now imagine you're a girl. Punjabi names for girls are like, Silky, Lovely, Pinky, Preeti. And now imagine introducing yourself. Hi, I am Silky Boob. This is my sister, Pinky Boob. हमारे एक टीचर थे, प्रोफेसर दबा दे। क्या दबा दे? क्यों दबा दे? बोले शादी में आए, दबा दे। I came across a couple of interesting Marathi surnames too. मेरे क्लास में बंदा था महेश हगारे, which translates into Mahesh just took a dump. And then of course CHODHANKAR. I'm not going to pronounce that. You figure out what to do with it. Apart from this, there were those Parsi names which have to do with their professions, like Lakda wala, soda bottle opener wala, daru wala, lokhand wala, and all the South Indian surnames which are kind of obsessed with the penis. Like Shivalingam, Mahalingam, Ramalingam. But the thing is कि we have no control over our surnames. Surnames तो हमको विरासत में मिलती है, something that's been passed on from generation to generation, and we will also push it forward. But first names, now that's a different story. At least that is under the control of parents. They can choose to give their kids a good first name, because of which you think that all kids should have a very good name. Not always the case. Turns out parents don't always have the kids' best interest in their hearts. Based on the way parents name their kids, I have come to the conclusion that there are basically 4 types of parents. The first type of parents, lazy parents. They don't put any effort into naming their kids. These are the kind of parents who literally give their kids their own names and उसके आगे number लगा देते हैं. We saw this more in history textbooks, like Chandragupta the second or third or King Henry the 8th. Hollywood side में आपको ना इसका कुछ variation आज भी मिलेगा, like Robert Downey Jr., Cuba Gooding Jr. No effort, अपना ही नाम दे दिया. Indians are slightly better. What we do is we copy our grandparents' names and give them to our kids. Celebrity example, Ranbir Kapoor. His name is taken from Raj Kapoor's name. Raj Kapoor's original name was Ranbir Raj Kapoor. We use nostalgia to hide our laziness. Second type, the goal-oriented parents. ये parents ना थोड़े ambitious होते हैं. They are visionaries. They want their kids to lead a particular kind of life. In fact, they can see the future for their kids. इसलिए mostly they will give their kids names which are either based on certain personality traits, like Veer or Bahadur or Sheetal, something like that. Or they'll give their kids names out of mythological texts. Karan, Arjun, they want them to adapt the personalities of those mythical characters. Or they'll give them celebrity names. For example, if you want your kid to become a great cricketer, Sachin. You want your kid to become a bodybuilder, Arnold. You want your kid to become an embarrassment for your country every time he opens his mouth, Donald Trump. Third type of parents, creative parents. इनको ना लाइफ में कुछ हटके करना होता है. They can't follow conventions. They don't want a regular name such as Ajay, Vijay, Ram, Lakshman. नहीं चलता उनके. They want to do something very unique. इनको फर्क नहीं पड़ता कि नाम का कोई मतलब बनता है या नहीं बनता है. They end up making their own names for their kids. Words which do not exist in any dictionary. Again, celebrity examples for this: Aditya Chopra, big producer; रानी मुखर्जी, बिग एक्ट्रेस, उनकी बेटी का नाम है अदीरा, यू नो अदी फ्रॉम आदित्य, रा फ्रॉम रानी. Another example, शाहिद कपूर, his wife मीरा कपूर, बेटी का नाम is मीशा, M-I from मीरा, S-H-A from शाहिद. This did not turn out so well for one of my friends. His mother's name is Disha, his father's name is Karthik, his name is Dick. So let's see how creative you are. I'm going to throw a couple of names of couples in front of you, okay? And then I want you to comment below कि उनके बच्चों का नाम क्या होगा, ठीक है? शीतल एंड मोहित, रणवीर एंड दीपिका, फारूक एंड कल्पना, पूजा एंड पूरब, गणेश एंड दुर्गा. Finally, the fourth type of parent, the worst type of parents. These are parents who themselves have had a very bad name. They've had a traumatic childhood, and yet they have gone ahead and given their kids even worse names. Celebrity examples: Bappi Lahiri, famous composer. He's famous for all the gold that he wears around. Imagine growing up with a name like Bappi. Hey Bappi, Puppy. Imagine that in school. Yeah. What does he go and name his kid? Bappa. Now imagine growing up with that name. Every year during Ganpati Visarjan, Ganpati Bappa Moria. Another celebrity example, Joy Mukherjee was a famous 1960s 70s ka hero who eventually became a director and producer. Early 1990s, he decided to launch his son in the Hindi movies as a hero. Guess what is the screen name he chose for his son? This, mind you, this is not even his son's real name, it's his screen name. His real name is Sujoy, but his screen name is Boy Mukherjee. क्यों? आपको डाउट था? वो बॉय है, गर्ल है, हीरो है, हीरोइन है, लोग कंफ्यूज हो जाएंगे. अवार्ड वाले उसको बेस्ट डेब्यू मेल देंगे या फीमेल. How can you do that to your kid? Let me give you a non-celebrity example. So there is this family, okay, the Pyare family. उसमें there was a kid who got named C-H-O-D. Of course, his name is pronounced as Chhod Pyare. Chhod Pyare, you know, something like that. But what does Mr. Chhod do? उन्होंने अपने बच्चे को नहीं छोड़ा. He named his kid M-A-D-A-R. Imagine growing up with that name. Well, that's about it from me on names. If you have come across some very interesting, some very funny, some very quirky names, please mention in the comments below. Do like, share and subscribe. I will see you very soon.
प्यार का मारा.
Postscript. So when it comes to South Indians, you ask the question, what's in a name? It's no longer rhetorical. It includes their village name or the name of the great-grandfather, grandfather, father, probably entire lineage. It also includes their caste. Let me give you an example. There's a friend of mine whose name is Chinnakuyuli, Ugam, Thaman, Iranga, Yazil, Ashta Sahasra Ram. अभी इतना लंबा कौन बोलेगा भाई? एक सांस में तो बोल नहीं सकते. So we just reduce it to the initials.